In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text appear one by one in CapCut. If you want that satisfying type-on look where your message appears character by character, this is quick and beginner-friendly. First, open CapCut. You can use either the desktop web version or the mobile app. Both work great for this. Give it a second to load your workspace and make sure you're on a fresh project so you can follow along without distractions. Next, click Create New and choose the 9:16 aspect ratio. This vertical format is perfect for platforms like TikTok, Shorts, and Reels. If your final video needs a different shape, that's okay, but 9:16 is the most common for mobile viewing and keeps your text large and readable. Now, add your text. Look for the text option and select. Add text to create a new text layer on your timeline. You'll see a box appear in the preview window, which you can drag to position wherever you want. Centered is usually best for this effect. Type your text into the box. Keep it concise so the effect really shines. This is a great moment to pick a clean font, adjust the size, and choose colors that contrast well with your background. If your background is busy, consider adding a subtle shadow or stroke to make the text pop. You can also adjust alignment and spacing so the lines look neat and balanced. With your text selected, click on Animations. You'll see different tabs for In, Out, and Loop. Since we want the text to appear one by one, focus on the In animations. These control how the text enters the screen at the start. Look for the Typewriter effect. This is the classic animation that reveals each character sequentially, mimicking typing. Click to apply it, then fine-tune the timing. You can usually adjust the duration of the animation using a slider or by dragging the edge of the text clip on the timeline. A shorter duration makes the typing faster. A longer duration slows it down. Try to match it to your voiceover or the beat of your background music for a polished feel. Play it back a couple of times to check the pacing and make minor adjustments until it feels natural. And that's it. You've set up a clean, professional type-on effect in CapCut using the typewriter animation. Keep your text clear, your timing intentional, and your layout simple for the best results. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!